Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.0869 a coin, or so they generally thought. The present exchange cost range, 0.0829 to 0.0889, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The earlier day close, 0.0835 in a truly significant way. The change in every practical sense was plus 0.0034, plus 4.07%. Reverse rate, USD to Doge, which is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost $0.083 in every way that really matters. Most extreme 0.089 in every practical sense, least 0.077 in a significant way. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $0.082, fundamentally greatest 0.088, sort of least 0.076 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.084 in every way that really matters, greatest 0.090, especially least 0.078 in an extremely significant way. Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.086, genuinely most extreme 0.092, really least 0.080. So Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost $0.082, exceptionally greatest 0.088, extremely least 0.076 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.085, exceptionally greatest 0.091, truly least 0.079 in an essentially enormous way. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost $0.082, really most extreme 0.088, essentially least 0.076. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $0.076, certainly most extreme 0.081, least 0.071 in an unobtrusive way. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.074, genuinely most extreme 0.079, beautiful least 0.069 in an especially significant way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.086, kind of most extreme 0.092, truly least 0.080, or so they essentially thought. In about 14 days Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.086, genuinely most extreme 0.092, fundamentally least 0.080 amazingly. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $0.083, lovely most extreme 0.089, least 0.077 in a truly significant way. Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 1, cost $0.088, really greatest 0.094, essentially least 0.082, exhibiting how Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.091, especially most extreme 0.097, especially least 0.085 in a huge way. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.089, certainly most extreme 0.095, truly least 0.083 in a kind of enormous manner. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.091, truly greatest 0.097, extremely least 0.085 in a huge way. Dogecoin figure on Friday, May 5, cost $0.092, especially most extreme 0.098, beautiful least 0.086, showing how Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost $0.083, exceptionally greatest 0.089, fundamentally least 0.077, or so they certainly thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.090, greatest 0.096, genuinely least 0.084 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.090, lovely greatest 0.096, all things considered, least 0.084 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.089, exceptionally most extreme 0.095, sort of least 0.083, really in spite of mainstream thinking. In about a month, Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost $0.086. Truly greatest $0.092, sort of least $0.080, and in every way that really matters, significant way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $0.090. Fundamentally greatest $0.096, essentially least $0.084, or so they generally thought. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 15, cost $0.087, essentially greatest $0.093, exceptionally least $0.081, or so they generally thought. USD to Doge swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 11.5075 coins per $1, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Today, S-reach 112499. 120598, or so they truly thought. The past day, S nearby 11.9818, showing how Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $0.076, genuinely most extreme $0.081, least $0.071. Change for now 0.4743, 3.96% in a by and large significant manner. USD to Doge cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month in a truly significant manner. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Friday, April 14, cost 12.048 coins, by and large greatest 12.987, especially least 11.236 in an especially enormous way. USD to Doge expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 12.195 coins, lovely greatest 13.158. In every practical sense, least 11.364, exhibiting that Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $0.090, in every way that really matters, most extreme 0.096, in every way that really matters, least 0.084, which basically is very huge. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 11.905 coins, for the most part greatest 12.821, extremely least 11.111, which really is genuinely huge. USD to Doge expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost 11.628 coins, certainly greatest 12.500, lovely least 10.870, which truly is very critical. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin figure on Thursday, April 20, cost 11.765 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 12.658, truly least 10.989, which explicitly is genuinely critical. USD to Doge forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 12.195 coins, really most extreme 13.158, sort of least 11.364 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, April 24, cost 13.158 coins, in every practical sense, most extreme 14.085, in every way that really matters, least 12.346, exhibiting how USD to Doge cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which in every way that really matters, is very critical. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 13.514 coins, greatest 14.493, sort of least 12.658, which generally shows that in 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 4.